This is a 2004 Chevy Avalanche, one owner, rust-free, with 39,000 miles. Yep, 39,000 miles in showroom condition. You are lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Just absolutely in stunning condition. Running boards. As you can see, the plastic is not faded. Just wow. All original, one owner, rust-free, no accidents. Tow package. The tires are in great shape. And you think the outside is clean, wait till you see the inside. Has a moonroof, Bose sound, 39,000 miles. The vehicle is running. Like all of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point pre-owned inspection. When you buy something from us, you will need nothing mechanically or cosmetically. All we do is specialize in one owner, low mileage vehicles. We also have a best price guarantee. Find a comparable one for sale, we'll beat their price. So you get a certified pre-owned inspection and you get a best price guarantee, which is unheard of in this market. So a little bit about the interior. The owner had seat covers put on since new. So we removed the seat covers and this is the result, brand new seats. And when I say brand new seats, I mean literally brand new seats. Over their floor mats, moonroof, AM, FM, CD. No, the radio does not do that. It's from the video. No fading dash. 39,000 miles. Moonroof. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, power driver's seat, Bose sound. Like I said, incredible condition. This is a unicorn. Running boards. So again, this is a 2004 Chevy Avalanche with 39,000 miles, one owner, rust-free, like new. This is definitely a unicorn. It needs nothing.